Everyone, good afternoon. This is La Roseville Live and would like to say hello to everyone. And today or this afternoon, we are going to pick some aratilis. You know what aratilis is? Or yes, a fruit, a sweet fruit, and a tiny fruit that we can harvest here. So this is the aratilis tree, and there were so many ripe aratilis there up there. So we are going to uh, harvest or pick some to eat because I also ate this one. So here's the other, and we have to get some chair to put it here down so that I can reach those ripe fruits away from me. So ayan, let's get a chair here. So that is the room where I am rented on that area or portion. So we are going to pick some aratalis. I do not know if some of you are not familiar this one, but me, I know this aratilis in the province of Visayas. So this one, it's ripe and sweet. Another one there. There's so many aratilis. Ay, nahulog na. Ayun, wala pa namang 5 minutes. Sabi nila, pag wala pa daw 5 minutes, wala pang germs. O diba? Ayan, hipo-hipo lang natin, punas-punas. Ayan, pinunasan ko na sa short ko. Ayan, ready to eat. One daming hinog. Yun hindi ko maabot kasi naghawak pa ng camera yung aking isang kamay. This other one. Ayan, I do not know all of you there or some of you eat this kind of fruit. And it's sweet. There's another one here. This one. Aratilis. We cannot reach some of them. They're all just very high. So I just only pick some ripe aratilis here. Aratilis that I can reach and eat it. And I do not know. There's another one, not so ripe, but you can eat it already. What? Uy, nasa na yun? Ayun. One. Ayan, hindi siya kahit masyadong kita, no? Ayan. So, no more here. And the rest are nandoon na sa taas. They are very high and cannot reach them. So, bye aratilis. See you na lang on the ground. Of course, when you fall down or on the ground, I cannot eat you already because you're dirty na. Ayun, hindi ko maabot. Malayo. Ayan. So, ayan lang mga Kalaro, the third channel of mine. Larosville Live. Ayan, so thank you for uh, joining me on picking some rights of Aratilis. Ayun. Okay, so that's all, folks. Bye. God bless. And today is June 19. It's Rizal's day, or the birthday of Dr. Jose Rizal. So June 19, 2026. Bye and see you next time.